Welcome to the world of modern comfort, where style meets convenience, and luxury is within your reach. Today, we're going to introduce you to a remarkable piece from Ovios, the 104-inch cloud sectional couch with an L-shaped chaise. This isn't just a sofa, it's a versatile modular system designed to fit seamlessly into your life, be it your living room or bedroom. The beauty of this set lies in its adaptability. You can configure it according to your needs, making it perfect for various spaces, from spacious living areas to cozy bedrooms, even kids' play zones. Each piece is designed to maximize space when placed against a wall, offering you the freedom to customize your comfort and style. But what truly sets this cloud sectional couch apart is its comfy chaise design. Imagine sinking into supreme ease with a 51-inch lounge chaise, crafted from high-resilience foam architecture and coil spring reinforcement for unparalleled luxury. It's like being enveloped in a cloud, offering a spacious and cloud-like seating sensation. Now, let's talk about the material. The cloud velvet fabric is a divine hug waiting to welcome you home. It brings serene comfort and warmth, turning any space into a cozy haven, especially during those chilly winter nights. Resilient and stretchable, it withstands daily life while staying pristine. One of the standout features of this cloud sectional couch is that it requires no assembly. Yes, you heard that right. Simply unbox all parts, gently tap each segment to boost its springiness, and voila! You're done. This modular cloud lounge will be back to its photogenic glory in no time, with complete revival taking up to around 72 hours. But don't just take our word for it. Here are some real user impressions. It turned out perfect. One user shared, explaining how it was better than they expected and perfect for their teens' hangout area. Another raved about its comfort, style, and ease of use, stating, "This is a very comfortable couch." However, as with any new purchase, there are a few things to keep in mind. After unwrapping, it's recommended to stay off the couch for 72 hours to allow it to fully expand. Also, upon arrival, give each segment a gentle pat to help it keep expanding. In conclusion, if you're looking for a versatile, comfortable, and stylish addition to your living or bedroom space, look no further than the Ovios Cloud Sectional Couch with L-shaped chaise. With its unique features, positive user reviews, and ease of use, it's an excellent choice for creating a cozy, modern oasis in your home. So why wait? Embrace comfort, style, and convenience today.